story we first brought you yesterday at an apartment complex right here in Houston where people dealing with storm damage have been in the dark for days. Tonight, Lone Star Legal Aid telling us they'll be visiting Independence Hall tomorrow morning to help offer help. Stephen Goen is there tonight with the tips all renters should know if they need to request repairs this week. Stephen?
Yeah, Len, a lot of people in the Houston area are still, of course, dealing with the impacts of last week's storms. And a lot of us rent the homes that we live in. So we wanted to reach out to legal experts to find out what those Texas renters' rights are when it comes to getting that storm damage fixed. Whether it's storm damage at your rental home or at an apartment complex like this, legal experts say your landlord is on the hook for repairs. After the severe weather that tore through the Houston area last Thursday.
What's important to remember is that there's a legal process for requesting repairs.
Eric Quadler with Lone Star Legal Aid says Texas law is quite clear.
The landlord is required to make repairs to any condition that would materially affect the health and safety of an ordinary tenant.
To legally request those repairs, Quadler says you have to send a letter through certified mail to your landlord. In it, lay out exactly what's wrong and what you need fixed.
Then the landlord has a presumption of 7 days to respond, but if it's more of an emergency, they may need to respond more quickly.
After that, if there's still no response, Quadler says you may have to file a lawsuit to force your landlord to make the repairs. But what if the damage at your home is beyond repair?
If the repair problems are so bad that the place is unlivable, then either party, the landlord or the tenant, can provide 7 days notice and cancel the lease.
Still, it's recommended you consult an attorney before taking that step. When it comes to power outages, Quadler says it's usually not up to the landlord to get your lights turned back on. It's on the utility company.
That's a situation where, in most cases, landlords and tenants just need to work together to try and get through it. And there's not much you can do.
Now, legal experts say even if your apartment or rental home has an online portal for paying rent and requesting repairs, you still need to send that physical certified letter to request repairs for any storm damage. You also have to keep on paying your rent to maintain access to your legal rights. In Houston, Stephen Goen, KHOU 11 News.
Good point you made at the end there, Stephen. You still have to keep paying your rent while you're waiting for the repairs. Thank you, sir.